You are welcome to online lectures with Pharmaternity the School Boy. Today we are going to take a look at pharmaceutical calculations, and we have a question on the board. The question says, if a liter of a cough syrup weighs 1,285 grams, what is its specific gravity? Our question source is Pharmaceutical Calculations by Howard C. Ansel, 14th edition, page 80, question 4. Solution. For us to be able to answer this question, we need to really understand what specific gravity is. Specific gravity is nothing but the ratio of the weight of a substance to the weight of equal volume of a particular standard. The standard in here, the specific gravity can be water, it can be hydrogen. If the substance in question is a gas, then the standard to be used there will be hydrogen. But if the substance in question is a solid or a liquid, the standard to be used is water. Let's look at the question. Is it a solid or a liquid? The substance is cough syrup. Cough syrup is a liquid. So the standard to be used here is water. So let us now define specific gravity of the cough syrup. The specific gravity of this cough syrup is now, specific gravity is designated with this let me come down a bit. This is symbol for specific gravity. So let us now define specific gravity with respect to this cough syrup. So specific gravity of this cough syrup now, I'll use CS for the cough syrup, CS, to represent cough syrup. So the specific gravity of CS is now equal to what? Weight of what? CS over weight of equal volume of what? Water. This will give us the specific gravity of CS, which is cough syrup. Now let us now go back and get the parameters before we now find the ratio. Now, weight of the cough syrup, we are given the weight of the cough syrup to be what? 1,285 grams. So, weight of CS is equal to 1,285 grams. We are given that. Now, weight of equal volume of water. What is the meaning of this? Weight of equal volume of water. This means weight of water that has the same volume with this cough syrup, that is CS. Simple. We are given the volume of the cough syrup to be what? 1 liter, which is 1,000 ml. The volume of what? CS is what? 1 liter, which is what? 1,000 ml. This is the volume of the what? The cough syrup. Let me say this again. Weight of equal volume of water means weight of water that has the same volume with the cough syrup. Now, this is the volume of the cough syrup. If the volume of the cough syrup is 1,000 ml, that means the volume of water, which is the standard, is also 1,000 ml. So volume of water is what? 1,000 ml. Remember, we are looking for the weight of water that has the same volume with the what? The cough syrup. Now, it has been established that 1 gram of water is equivalent to what? 1 ml of what? Water. If that is the case, that means 1,000 ml of water is the same as saying 1,000 gram of what? Water. So 1,000 ml of water is same as saying 1,000, the same thing with what? It's equivalent to what? 1,000 gram of water. So this is the weight of water that has the same volume with the what? Cough syrup. Because the volume of the cough syrup is 1,000 ml. Volume of this water is 1,000 ml. And weight of this water using this relationship is 1,000 grams. So we have gotten the weight of equal volume of water. Let us now calculate the specific gravity of this cough syrup. Therefore, specific gravity is now equal to what? Weight of the cough syrup, which is what? 1,285 grams. 1,285 what? Grams. Divided by weight of equal volume of water, which is 1,000 grams. That means that the specific gravity of this cough syrup is what? If you divide this, you have 1.285. So the specific gravity of this cough syrup is 1.285. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Pharmaternity the Schoolboy. Follow me on Facebook. My Facebook name is Pharmaternity the Schoolboy. They're on the screen. Follow me on TikTok at Pharmaternity83. Follow me on Instagram at Pharmaternity83. Follow me on Twitter at Pharmaternity83. Follow me on LinkedIn. My LinkedIn name is Pharmaternity the Schoolboy. Please like my video, comment, share with your friends, your relatives, your colleagues, your children, your students. Someone out there may need these lectures. God bless you. See you next time.